Welcome to the world of machine embroidery. Introducing the Designio DZ820E embroidery-only machine, one of 6 machines in the new Designio series from Brother, designed for the designer in you. Offering an expansive 5x7 embroidery area, the DZ820E gives you the flexibility to embroider large designs easily. With 136 easy-to-find built-in designs and a built-in USB port, embroidery designs are always easily available. The DZ820E is also compatible with iBroidery.com, where you'll find over 5,000 designs for individual purchase. There's so much more at iBroidery.com. The DZ820E comes with free phone and online technical support, plus a 25-year limited parts warranty, and it's ROHS compliant. Included in the box is a second set of embroidery hoops. The DZ820E comes with an embroidery starter kit and includes 6 spools of high-quality embroidery thread, a pack of fabric stabilizer, extra bobbins, high-quality steel embroidery scissors, plus more. Loading the bobbin and threading the machine is easy, and if you forget a step, the DZ820E has built-in tutorials you can watch on the touchscreen LCD display. Simply follow the thread path, and with the push of a lever, the DZ820E threads the needle for you. The DZ820E is designed for the designer in you so you can enjoy adding embellishment to clothing and accessories that truly match your style, offering ease of use and flexibility at affordable prices. With the DZ820E, you'll have virtually everything you need to start embroidering right away.